Hi everyone. So in this today's video we are gonna learn how we can implement this indicator for the carousel, right? So in today's video we're gonna implement this with this library, smooth page indicator. You're gonna need this library to easily implement that. So just go to pub.dev and search this keyword and read the documentation a little bit, so you can understand how we are gonna implement that one. So if you check the uses, it mentions that it needs a controller and count effect and on dot click. So probably we don't need these and this controller sort of things, because we just need a simple indicator thing here, right? Okay, so you can see it also has another animated smooth indicator, which just needs your active index count and worm effect. So we're going to use this widget from this library. So before doing that, in our last video you saw that we already hard coded, where we have hard coded text styles. Yeah, so you saw that we hard coded text style dot label large and body medium, but we tried to use context dot text theme, what it was, body large, right? So we tried to use this one, but it was not working. See that it's not working. And also if we use this way, like context dot text theme dot body medium, it's not going to work. It doesn't give us the exact value. So let me just check if it was the previous it was level large. Okay, so it will be level large, and let's see the previous one. So body medium, fine. So see that it's not working the way we defined in our theme. So if we go to our light theme, and let me zoom in. So if you go to our light theme, you see that our text theme has all these styles, and when we are trying to use it from here, we are not getting the exact value, cause it's a simple mistake from my end. We haven't set the text theme to our theme data, so that's why it's not working. So now once I set it, you will see it will be working as expected. So to do that, we need to rerun the app. Yeah, so now you can see that it's working. Cool. Now go to pubspec.yml, and you need to add this dependency here. So it's smooth page indicator, but I'm gonna use my VS Code to uh, add dependency. So smooth page indicator, so it will automatically add the dependency. This little VS Code thing makes me happy, and don't need to manually copy and paste the thing, and it also mess with my current Flutter version. Anyway, so now if we move back to our code, and we want to have our indicator before after this widget. So we wanna have our indicator here, right? So if we go to the documentation, and you see that we need animated smooth indicator. So just copy it and let me paste somewhere here. Now you need to import it. Now I need we need actually the active index. So active index, let's define it. So initially our active index would be 0. Now we need to change and make, we need to actually listen to carousel widget and change it from there. So in our carousel widget, as you can see, we have carousel options, and inside our options we're gonna something like on on page changed. So if we see on page changed, it has index and region, so we are interested about the index thing, we don't need the region. So now if we wanna try to access active index, we can't, because this is from another widget, so we need to make a callback. Value changed, and that would be integer. On page changed, fine, make it required page changed. What it says that can't define a construct, okay, for non-final fields. I don't need this one, right? Fine, we don't need to use unused parameter. God, let's make it usable. So we have to say the key to widget dot key. Still it says the value for optional parameter key isn't even ever given to remove the unused parameter. I'll just ignore it. And so in on page change we can call it directly here. So one, not that one, what I'm doing here. So widget dot on page change, call the indexed. Now we are good here, and if we go here, now we can have on page change, this is the index, and now we can set state active index to, I'm just using set state for this simple task. You don't need to do it, or you can use your BLoC or something else. For little things like this I use set state, but for production app you should not stick with one state management, because the set state will rebuild everything, and we can later optimize it. But for now, just use active index inside the set state, and this count would be our items, carousel items dot length, and the active index, this one. So if we rerun the app, we should see something inside our view. So we need to rerun the app first. Okay, we're getting some issues. Invalid dev file. Why? What if it's just Flutter clean? And we're gonna use Flutter pubget to see if that fixes the issue. Now if I rerun the app, the problem still happens. Wait a minute. No, I don't have issue here, so it says is not available. So dot library native wrappers internal. Okay, I don't know anything about this one, so let's search it. It says show larp double. Okay, maybe I have the wrong input. Yeah, the wrong input here, right? Oof. Anyway, now rerun the app, and it should work now. I don't know when I imported that sheet. Yeah, it's now working, but the result is a bit off because we haven't set the theme here. So first thing first, let's just make some space. 12. Yeah, and the warm effect has offset value dot width height and spacing radius dot color. So just set the color dot color, and dot we also have the active dot color. So let's go back to Figma, and in our dot color is grayscale 300, which we call surface 300, and this one is primary. So the dot color would be context dot color dot surface 300, and active dot color would be context dot colors dot primary. Yeah, so now this is good, but we need to also change the width and height. So dot width would be 8, dot height would be 8. Yeah, now it looks good. What else we need? So we need to make more space here, so not 12, it would be 24, and we have achieved what we wanted. So this is the very short video tutorial for implementing this active indicator. So in our next video we're going to implement login with Google. So finally we'll be able to code with our PocketBase setup, and there will be some little code for backend. So we're gonna implement the social media login functions in our next video. So guys, if you don't yet subscribe to my channel, please do subscribe and share this video with your friends. And this is the only thing I expect from you guys for this video tutorial, because creating such videos a little bit challenging for me with having a day job, but I try to make some time to do this thing. So it will be really make me happy if you guys subscribe and share this video. So we will implement this login thing in next video tutorial. Till then, bye.